smile at me. Your grin's the sweetest that I've ever seen. But you did, yes you did. You didn't have to offer your hand, 'cause since I've kissed it I am at your command. But you did. Oh, a turpentine erase me whole, 'cause I don't want to live my life alone. Well, I was waiting for you all my life. Oh, set me free, my honey bee.